I never hurt anyone. Then why does life feel so lonely? Have you ever felt this? You don't hurt anyone, you don't insult anyone, you don't interfere in anyone's life. You simply mind your own business. And yet, people slowly stop calling. They stop checking on you. They start drifting away. You sit alone and think, why did I go wrong? Why does this keep happening to me? Am I the problem? And the worst part is, you don't even know how to explain the pain to anyone. If this you, please stay till the end of this video. Because today, we are not going to judge you. We are going to understand you. Welcome to the Bhumika project, where self-growth begins with self-truth. Part 1, the big misunderstanding. Let me tell you something very clearly. Being a good person is not the same as being emotionally visible. Most people believe, if I don't hurt anyone, people will stay. But the real trap doesn't work that way. People don't connect with through goodness. They connect through the emotional signals. When you stay quiet, you don't share much. When you keep everything inside. People don't see your intentions. They see silence. And silence is often misunderstood as disinterest, cold behavior, and emotional distance. Not because you are bad, but because humans need feedback. Part 2, why quiet people are often left behind. If you are quiet persons, listen carefully. You probably think, I don't want to disturb anyone. I don't want to be a burden. I handle all things on your own way. This mindset feels mature but slowly isolate you. Because the world is noisy. The world notices who speak, who react, who express. Silence does not mean deaf to everyone. Too many people silence feel like distance. So they stop trying, not because they hate you, but because they don't know how to reach you. Part 3, the real reason mental pain increases. Now let's talk about the mental pain. When people live without explanations, their minds start creating stories. You tell yourself something must be wrong with me. Maybe I am boring. Maybe I am not enough. This is where the real damage begins. Because instead of questioning the situations, you start questioning your worth. You suppress your emotion, you act strong, you stay quiet. But emotion don't disappear. You turn into overthinking, anxiety, loneliness, emotional exhaustion. And one day you wake up and feeling tired, not physically, not mentally. Part 4, you are not unlikable, you are unreadable. This line is very important. You are not unlikable, you are unreadable. People don't know what you feel, what you need, what matters to you. So they assume. And assumption creates distance. Your nature is not wrong. Your silence is not wrong. But complete emotional shutdown slowly pushes people away, even good people. Part 5, how to live without losing yourselves. Now let's talk about solutions, not fake motivations, real change. Express, don't explain. You don't need long talks. It's simple. That meant a lot to me. I was having a tough day. I appreciate you. That's enough. Step 2. Stop punishing yourself for being quiet. Being calm is a strength, but hiding yourself completely is self neglect. You matter too. Step 3. Accept that not everyone will stay. Some people leave even when you do everything right. That does not define your value. It defines compatibility. At the end, we discuss how to move forward. If you are watching this and thinking, I don't know how to live anymore, listen carefully. You don't need to change who you are. You need to allow yourself to be seen. You are not alone because you are bad. You are alone because you are learn and survive silently. And the survival is not the same as living. If this video spoke to you, right, I feel this in this comment. And if you want to content that helps you understand yourself, not fix yourself, you are not broken, you are just in here. Thanks for watching.